My name is Sabin.
And I'm Jim.
And together we are Cousins Maine Lobster. We thought it would be great to bring Maine lobster, the cuisine we grew up on in Maine, with our family recipes, the recipes our mothers and our grandmothers always made at home, and we served it here in Los Angeles. And what it's turned into is really a nationally recognized brand.
Sabin and I were on season 4 of Shark Tank. We bring the Maine lobster experience to Southern California, and we do it via our amazing gourmet lobster shack on wheels.
$55,000 for 15%.
Barbara, welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Come on over here.
I'm coming.
Oh, it's a family show, guys.
Jim and Sabin are two of the best entrepreneurs I've ever met on Shark Tank. They're equally strong in their own respective roles. They're perfect entrepreneurs.